Hi, this is Megan with Urton Electric, and welcome to the world of electric motor repair and rewinding. Today, we're going to be rewinding an electric wheelchair motor. So if you'll come with me, we'll get started. Now that we're inside, we can start rebuilding our electric wheelchair motor. This is my good friend Carlos, and he's going to be rebuilding our motor today. The first step in this process is to completely disassemble the motor. Now that the motor has been completely disassembled, we can begin testing and machining the armature. This armature tester checks the armature for electrical shorts, making sure that every coil has equal resistance, so that we can proceed with the machining process. If it fails, then we have to rewind the entire armature. If it passes, then we can move on to our next step. Next, Ramon is going to turn the commutator in the lathe, which will return the armature back to its original new condition within 1/1000th of an inch out of round. Buzzsaw is an undercutter. Peter is querying the slots on the commutator, removing any copper or debris left over from the turning process. After the armature has been undercut, the commutator has to be polished to a smooth surface, and then back to testing to double check our work. It's back to the testing equipment to double check everything, including the commutator for out of roundness. Balancing is next. Reducing vibration is very important in the motor's running performance. It's time for our insulation test. We will be applying 1000 volts through this high-pot testing machine from the shaft to the commutator, checking for any insulation breakdowns. This is our bearing meter. Once it comes up to temperature, the bearing will be ready to slide onto the armature shaft. This gearbox has been rebuilt, gears and shafts inspected, bearings, seals, and grease replaced, so now it's ready for reassembly. Now that all the parts have been cleaned, tested, and machined, we're ready for reassembly.
Excellent work there, Carlos.
After reassembly, we're ready for testing. Making sure the motor runs well with little vibration, the gearbox runs smoothly, and the brake is releasing properly. The wheelchair motor rebuild is now complete, with new bearings, new brushes, new seals, and anything else it needs. It's tested and ready to be sent back to our customer. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm Megan from Urton Electric, signing out.